If you're seeing Epic Games error code 403, don't worry, this usually means the launcher is being blocked from accessing the server, and in most cases, it can be fixed with a few simple steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest solutions first, then move into the deeper fixes if needed. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick PC and gaming fixes. First, let's start with the simplest fix. Restart the Epic Games launcher completely. Don't just close the window, make sure it's fully shut down. Check your system tray, right-click the Epic Games icon and exit it. Then reopen the launcher and try again. A fresh restart can clear temporary connection issues that trigger the 403 error. Next, try running Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. Right-click the launcher shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it may need to connect properly and access the files it uses. If the error was caused by a permission issue, this step can solve it immediately. If you're still getting the error, the next thing to do is verify your game files. Open your library inside the launcher, find the game you're having trouble with, click the three dots next to it, then choose Manage and select Verify. Epic will scan the installation and repair any missing or corrupted files. This is especially useful if the 403 error started after an update or a failed install. Now, let's move on to clearing the launcher cache. This is one of the most effective fixes for corrupted temporary data. First, close the Epic Games launcher completely. Then press Windows key plus R to open the run box, type %local app data % and press enter. In that folder, open Epic Games launcher, then open saved. Inside, look for the webcache folder and webcache_4147 if it's there and delete them. Once that's done, restart your computer and launch Epic Games again. Clearing the cache forces the launcher to rebuild fresh data, which often removes the 403 problem. Another important step is to disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. Epic Games servers can block traffic from certain VPN IP addresses, which can cause an access denied error. If you have a VPN turned on, disconnect it and try launching the game again. If you're using like a proxy through your network settings, turn that off too. A direct connection is usually the safest way to test whether the network is the issue. If none of those steps work, the final fix is to reinstall the Epic Games launcher. Sometimes the launcher itself becomes damaged, and a clean reinstall is the fastest way to remove stubborn errors. Uninstall the launcher from your system, restart your PC, then download the latest version from the official Epic Games website and install it again. After reinstalling, sign back in and test the launcher one more time. By following these steps in order, you should be able to fix Epic Games error code 403 and get back into your games without the frustration. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.